Deliveroo shares.
Did
I
they
think
deliver?
they didn't deliver it. Well, they did deliver, but no one told the share price because it's down. Because It's down 4.4%. First ever annual profit, £2.9 million. Generated free cash flow of £85.5 million and announced a £100 million share buyback. What's not to like? I mean, the share price is 17p. Let's not forget, this IPO'd at 390p back in the day. So it's now in profit. So it's more profitable than when it IPO'd.
Yeah.
I think the reason the slide's taken place is they've delayed the delivery of the EBITDA margin of more than 4% to mid-2026. So what?
Yeah. I was going to say, it sounds like the company is in the best health it's ever been.
Yeah. So yeah, we're getting a little bit of a pullback on that. It's gone down from 130p at the end of last week. It's now around about 117p. The record lows on this around about just below 75, 80p. It's had a good run, but that run does appear to be starting to run out of steam. But I've got a question as to whether or not we'll see it much below 100p, given the fact that the numbers look pretty good. And I think the outlook will very much depend on obviously how well or not the UK consumer holds up over the course of the next 12 months. And that, I think, is going to be a worry because from April, according to Bloomberg anyway, the UK consumer is facing a £600 rise in bills from April.
Yes. Well, that's nice and cheerful, isn't it? But you're absolutely right.
Yeah, I mean, and businesses are facing big rises in their tax bills as well. So
I think it's been every day over the last week or so. I've got an email from someone saying, 5% here, 3% here, whatever it might be. So that number doesn't seem too far off. And
so I mean, basically, Deliveroo, the shares are down. How much more downside is there? Hard to say. I mean, it's one of those stocks that's very difficult to value. But revenues, £2 billion, £2.07 billion, they were 2% higher. So everything's going in the right direction. The bigger question is, are they going to be able to maintain, I think, that progress?